Would you like to see how artisans craft Mexican tiles completely by hand? From mixing to firing and painting, we'll show you the entire process from start to finish. Jose is going to show us the start to finish process of these beautiful Mexican tiles. Jose, muchas gracias.
Vamos a mezclar el barro con talco y enseguida le vamos a poner agua.
Okay,
sí.
So he's first mixing the mud or the clay, well, it's mud, and then the talco is like a powder with some water, and each place has their own specific recipe. I'm going to put it in. Okay.
Alza la
¿Como
cámara.
en todo el parte? ¿Así?
Sí, así para acá.
¿Y cuánto tiempo pase con esta máquina?
Sí, hasta que se impregnen.
Okay.
Sí,
So
¿no?
I just asked him how long does
Sí.
it take to kind of use the machine. He said just as it mixes and blends together.
Sí.
And this is what will make the clay that we're going to be
Le
molding.
faltó agua.
Falta
Sí.
agua.
Agua.
We need more water. Más agua, por favor.
Y ya ahí le...
Oh, wow. So this machine compresses the clay so it becomes that moldable clay that we're familiar with to make pots and clay tiles. So come and take a look. Now this is Max. Max, they call him the machine, and you'll see why. Vamos, Max. Let's see how he handles this clay. Watch as he goes to work. This is why they call him the machine. There isn't a massive machine that creates these things. It's Max. He's rolling out the clay. He uses tools to measure. And then they come out in these different size tiles. You can get large tiles, small tiles, round, but he'll even imprint these designs on them depending on what the client requests. So I mean, look at the precision. He uses the powder to make sure it doesn't stick. He's doing it so perfectly. Watch as he just molds it. Now, the other thing I found so fascinating is that they make thousands and thousands of tiles, hundreds of thousands, and the majority of them actually go to the United States. So people request customized tiles, specific colors, as many as they want for a renovation of a bathroom or a kitchen, and I'm just incredibly impressed. Mira cómo hace Max, el experto, como the expert. Uy. After Max has worked his magic and he cuts the tiles, they then place them over here to dry. Y José, ¿cuánto tiempo hace para secar los
Tenemos para
azulejos?
secarlo 6 días.
Okay.
Sí, para ahí ya después se va al horno.
Okay, so he just said that it takes about 6 days to a week to dry the tiles here. They naturally dry by air or in the sun, and then they move to the horno, the oven. So once the tiles have been dried for about 6 to 7 days, they then come into this massive horno, the oven, and they place them in these little slats. Y José, ¿cuánto tiempo hace en el horno o pasa en el horno?
Trabajamos con la lumbre 8 horas continuas.
Okay, so once they're placed in the rack and they start the oven, it can take about 8 hours. 8 hasta 10, ¿sí?
Sí,
8
8 a
to 10 hours. They usually start around 6 a.m. and they they turn off the machine around 6 p.m. So after they've been in the oven for about 8 to 10 hours, they take them out the next day and they go into the glazing process, or where they apply the enamel. So let's go see our
Sí, vamos.
Okay. Okay, I'm gonna put them here and watch as he meticulously glazes these. Okay. Oh, first they wet them a little bit. And then, tan rápido, no puedo creer. Mira, it's so easy flowing. He makes it look so easy, but I guarantee you I would destroy them. Hey, after he has glazed them, you can actually put them back into the oven if you just want a very simple tile. These ones are a cream color, beautiful for a kitchen or a bathroom, but if you want a different color like green or blue, then you can do the specific color here, they go back in the oven. But if you want something more specific, more detailed, the beautiful Mexican hand-painted tiles, that's where we're going next to see the artisans. So we have the glazed tile here, and this is where we bring them to the artists themselves. That you can, as a client, you can decide the style, the color, the design, and it comes here to the artist.
Si me haces favor, pintarle el que trae en la mano.
I'm gonna give her the tile. And so if it is a specific design, they do have certain stencils. So she's placing the stencil and painting them right now. But let's just say you have a detailed design that you want handcrafted, it's your own design, they can do that. It just may take a little extra time. So after the stencil has been done, we bring it over and this gentleman delicately paints each and every single flower, the design, different colors. Oh, the way his hand is so steady. I'm envious. It's absolutely beautiful. Okay, José, después de pintarlo, after they paint it, it goes back into the oven for another 10 hours. Más tiempo en el horno.
Al horno, sí.
Sí, for about 8 to 10 hours. And then the tile looks like this. So you can see the color is much lighter before it goes through the kiln or the oven. As we finish up the tour of this wonderful tile factory, I got to meet Daniel, el gerente, the general manager of the facility. Muchas gracias por invitarnos.
Muchas gracias a ustedes por tomarnos en cuenta. Son bienvenidos. Y pues cuando gusten, aquí tienen su casa, las puertas abiertas para el día que quieran venir.
I love it. I love this about the Mexican culture. He said, you're welcome to come anytime. The doors are open. This is your place to come and enjoy. So, muchas gracias. Muchas gracias. This process was beautiful and enjoyable to see. And it truly is a dying art, but thankfully, you have the opportunity to bring these artisan handcrafted tiles into your home. In our next episode, we're going to be going to the tile market where you can hand select tiles for your next project.